That's a great start. My video starts with me scratching my nose. Well, anyways. Hello there. Good evening. I'm William Brantley from South Jackson, Tennessee, or Bemis, Tennessee, getting ready to share, I'm ready, I should say, to share with you today's climate summary and take it from there. I'm running a little late, so I'm going to get right to it, and if by chance the next video possible may be a quiet one. What I mean by that is I may show the graphs and the conditions or the climate data and not say a word, no sound. If that happens, it's not the fault of your computer. It's me being silent and just showing the video with no sound. I hope that's won't be too disturbing, but I might try that in the near future. Alright, other than that, I'm going to keep on talking. Alrighty, well, good evening, everybody. Climate data for yesterday. Let me start off with that one real quick. For Sunday, August 19th, low was 70, high was 91 here in Bemis, and I had no rainfall. 1.12 for the month of August, and 52.37 for the year is the rainfall totals. Let's see. Highest heat index for Sunday was 99 degrees at 4 p.m. and the highest wind gust was south of 12 miles per hour. Alrighty, let's move on to today, Monday, August the 20th. At 5 p.m. here in Bemis, the skies are mostly cloudy. The temperature was 84 degrees. The dew point was 74 degrees. Humidity was 72%. And we had southwest winds at 14 miles per hour, gusting to 20 miles per hour at 5 p.m. The barometric pressure was 29.85 inches of mercury. Today's low temperature was 73 degrees as of 5 p.m. since midnight. The high today was 86 degrees. I did get a little bit of rain here in Bemis, not a lot. 0.06 of an inch of rain since midnight. Lowest humidity would be 72% at 4 and 5 p.m. The highest would be 97% as of 5 and 6 a.m. Lowest dew point temperature would be 69 degrees as of 1 p.m. 75 degrees would be the highest dew point temperature today, and that occurred at 12 through 3 a.m. and then again at 4 p.m. Lowest barometric pressure would be 29.95 inches of mercury, and that occurred as of 5 p.m. or at 5 p.m. Highest pressure would be 29.98 inches, and that occurred at 1 p.m. Today's highest wind gust got a little windy today around the 1 p.m. hour. Southwest winds at 31 miles per hour at about 1 p.m. 31 mile per hour wind out of the southwest at the Jackson, Tennessee airport. Alrighty, records. I don't want to leave that out. Of August 20th, hottest high, 105 degrees. And that happened in 2005. Coolest low weather, coolest high would be 73, and that happened in 1956. Warmest low would be 76 degrees, and that happened multiple times in 2012, which would be the most recent. And then in that'd be the first time it happened, weather, 2012. And then again in 2005, and then most recently in 2007, when we had a low of 76 degrees, the warmest for August 20th. Coldest low would be 56 in 1953. Rainfall record for today, 1.60. We're nowhere near that today, with only having 600 so far. 1.60 in 2004 would be the rainfall record. Alrighty, and I forgot to mention yesterday, we did have a fog advisory yesterday morning for all of West Tennessee And at the Jackson Airport, the fog did cause the visibility to go down to about an eighth of a mile, 0.15, and that occurred at 0.15 of a mile, eighth of a mile, and that occurred at 7 a.m. Yesterday morning. Just thought I'd go and mention that as well. Alrighty, other than that, let me show you a few graphs, and that'll be it for tonight, I believe. Let me start off with the current surface map. What's going on now, or this within a little bit ago. Cold front's moving through West Tennessee tonight, getting ready to. There was a severe thunderstorm watch for all of West Tennessee until midnight. However, it was canceled as of 8:42 p.m. Monday, August the 20th. So it's no longer in effect for any counties in West Tennessee tonight. Again, the severe thunderstorm watch that was valid until midnight for all of West Tennessee was canceled as of 8:42 p.m. Alrighty, let me show you the map. According to the Weather Channel, there you see where the fronts are. Map features. Cold front getting ready to move through West Tennessee tonight. Low pressures up north of us. And there's some out west. And you see where it's raining and where it probably isn't. And that's pretty much the map for tonight. And that's as of I want to say 5/21. No, that can't be right. August 21/18. Okay, that'd be 9/15, 8/15, I think. Well, 21/15 EDT. I think this Eastern Daylight Time. So that would be 8, 9 o'clock, 9:15. Okay, yeah. It'd be 9:15 Eastern Time or 8:15 Central Time. Alright, enough time on that. There you see the map. Whoa! Camera finally flip-flopped on me. I thought when I had it was a good steady place. So much for that thought. Well, I do have a little floppy up here on the box. There we go. I'm back at it again. Alright. What's next? National radar. Okay, let me go ahead and show you that. Even though, for the most part, I gotta do this real quick. Most of the storms that was nearby us actually went around Jackson. That sounds like something different, or like what has been doing weather for the last few days. We miss it, and it goes around us to our north and to our south. Even though this latest frame is trying to show a little light shower just south of Jackson and Madison County now, but it's not all that heavy. Maybe some storms trying to form over near Brownsville, Tennessee, and Haywood County moving east. So we still got a pretty good chance for rain throughout the evening, but all should be gone by midnight. Or at least that's the thinking right now. Alright, then you see some storms to the north of us. Those up there in leaving Henry County, moving on into Middle Tennessee, and there's some down in Mississippi. They're moving on east. They had tornado warnings down there near Oxford, Mississippi, and near Tupelo, Mississippi earlier, but those have since dissipated, of course, or weakened. Alright, let me see what's around the whole entire area in general. There you go. See the storms and where they were. And they're moving on east of Jackson, or well, actually south of Jackson and moving east. And some heavy storms down in Mississippi. They're moving into Alabama now. Some more there in north central Mississippi, moving across to northern Mississippi. Alright, there you see the pretty good area of where everything else is. Let me back this up a little bit so you see a slightly better view. There we go. Alright, Let's move on to satellite picture. There you see the clouds moving through West Tennessee. They're going to be gone probably not long after midnight. The sky should become fair. West of Tennessee right now ain't too bad a shape. East of Nashville, Middle and East Tennessee is going to get the clouds not too long from now. Then see that big clear spot over in Arkansas? That's moving our way for tomorrow. There's a few clouds up in Missouri that might keep us under fair skies for tomorrow and a few more days after that. Speaking of that, let's move on to the forecast. I wasn't even going to say nothing about that, but go ahead. Let me see. It's going to be very cloudy during the afternoon tomorrow afternoon, but fair skies during the AM and PM hours. Fair skies up till noon, and then fair skies again after sunset tomorrow night. Is what all that fancy stuff means. Alright, otherwise, no rain's expected tomorrow. Tuesday, August 21st. Low near 69, high near 82 tomorrow. Hey, this is going to be a cooler high. Remember, today hit 86. It's going to be 82 tomorrow. We'll have west winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. Sun rises tomorrow morning at 6:19. Sets at 7:37 p.m. The moon rises tomorrow afternoon at 4:35 p.m. and sets at 2:01 a.m. Wednesday morning. And there you see Wednesday's forecast. Fair with low near 66 and a high of 85 with north winds of 5 to 15 miles per hour. Mostly fair Thursday, 61 and 83 for low and high. Friday, 59 and 87 with mostly fair skies there. And fair through the weekend, 69 and 91 on Saturday, mostly fair. 70 and 92 on Sunday. Full moon is complete on Sunday, August the 26th. Alrighty, I won't call it at that, since I wasn't even planning on putting the forecast on there. I done it anyways. Oh well, it doesn't hurt, I don't guess. Well, alright, that's it for tonight. Thank you for listening and viewing. I apologize for running a little late. And again, every once in a while, I might do a silent one. So don't get too alarmed if I don't say anything. It may be a blessing to some people. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just teasing. Thank you for all the subscribing once again. Appreciate you subscribing to my channel, listening, and bearing with me. Thank you, and good night, and God bless.